So I'm having a bit of a problem with my controller here. Uh, the trigger, the right trigger is fine. It's absolutely fine right there. Everything else is working fine. But I think there's some problem with this LT right here. You can hear that sound. I don't know what's the problem. I actually opened this thing yesterday and saw inside, and I read it in forums that there would be some sort of screw and pads and everything else. Okay, so there would be a screw hitting the board or something. They're talking about that, but I could not see anything else. So I haven't fixed this. So if you guys are having the same problem and no way to fix this, then please let me know in the comments. Maybe give me a link to uh, link to that video where you can have this fixed. So yeah, there's actually no problem while playing games, but it's just making this noise. So yeah, let me just do it once again. Yeah, you can hear that. So if I just press it normally, then there's not a problem. But you know, it shows up out of nowhere. It comes in the middle of the games, and it's really annoying at times. Oh my god. Alright.